Hi everyone. I've got these little rocking horses. I'm going to make a pair of earrings out of them. So let's get started. First, we're going to put our charms on. Twist it open. Take your charm. I've been making little earring tutorials or showing you how to do them. You twist it back. Probably not the best at making them, but I'm trying. So people starting out can get their feet wet, so to speak. Alright, we'll twist it open. I like to put them on where they're upside down, and you put it on that way. That way the front hangs opposite of where the opening is. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's how I do it. Alright. Now we're going to take a little bead, a bead cap. You don't have to use bead caps. I just had some and I like them, so a bigger bead, a bead cap. Then I'm going to use one of these triangle drilled crystals, and then two of these little, probably 3 or 4 millimeter. I think these are 6. This is either 6 or 5, and then these are like 3s. So we'll lay that one down and we'll string the other one up. And I found out earlier that these wires are probably steel, so I'm going to roll them down. It's a whole lot easier. And then our crystal. And you could put a spacer in between if you had them, like these. I tried earlier, and let me show you. Really, you can't see it once you get the other bead on top of it. I mean, you can see it a little bit, but I don't think it's going to make that much of a difference, so I'm going to leave it off. Save it for something else. Well, and I think that the little beads may be dyed. Not sure. I don't know about the bigger ones. These look like they're colored all the way through. I had some earlier that I'd say that they were dyed. But I'm going to leave probably 5/8 of an inch. I'm going to cut off about 5/8 of an inch of wire. And might help if I grab the right pliers out of my lap. I'm going to roll it back a little bit, and then we're going to roll it. So it'll look like that. And we want it to we'll roll it this way. then hold it. This is a stiff wire, so let's trim the other wire off. We want to leave maybe 5/8 of an inch. We don't want to cut much off of this. Try not to have them fly across the floor. Alright. I'm going to take it and bend it back a little bit. Let's see. I want the opposite. I want it the opposite of that, so we're going that way. Yep. So see, this is hanging this way. You want to go that way. And then you don't have to adjust it at the end. Well, you may still have to adjust it a little bit, but not as much. See there? Probably have to twist it a little bit. Whenever you got it hanging there, make sure it's hanging right. Let's check the other one. Yep. Alright, let's put our ear wires on. I just thought that I'll just keep putting some little earrings on that anybody can do. And mother and daughter or whoever, aunt and niece, or friends could just sit down and have a jewelry making night. That'd be one thing you could do with your friends. You could everybody buy a bag of beads and get a different bag. Then you could share them and make all kinds of different earrings, and everyone go home with a pair or two or three. And you don't have to make them this long. Just put it on like that. Let me take that off and show you. Just open it up like that. Twist it. Always twist it. Don't open it up. You'll never get it back. You might get it back, but it's going to take work. Twisting it, you just have to twist it back. You go like this. And you don't have to use the same beads I'm using. You can use any beads you have. Any charms you have. This is just to give you an idea. And there's our rocking horse earrings. Just a simple little pair of earrings. It'd be a fun night with the girls, just sitting there and everybody bring their own beads and everybody share and make all kinds of little earrings. Well, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one, and until then, y'all take care out there. And until next time, bye-bye.